What you're about to see isn't just another drone launch.
Ow.
It is the end of the FPV era as we know it, and the birth of something entirely new. For years, we've had to choose. Do you want the adrenaline of a high-speed FPV dive, or do you want the impossible reframing power of a 360 camera? Well, DJ, I just decided that choice is a thing of the past. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where today we are diving deep into the most significant leak in the history of aerial cinematography, the DJI Avata 360. This isn't just a rumor. We have FCC filings, leaked prototype images from veteran insiders like Quadro_News, and technical specs that should have the competition at Insta360 very, very nervous. We're talking about an 8K spherical beast that can literally flip its brain mid-air to become a traditional racing drone. If you've been thinking about buying the Avata 2 or even the new Insta360 Antigravity, stop everything. You need to see what DJI has been cooking in the dark because this drone is about to change how you record your life forever. Let's get right into the heart of the beast, the optics. The Avata 360 is rumored to be packing not one, but two massive 1.1 CMOS sensors. To put that in perspective, significantly larger than the sensor on the current Avata 2 and even rivals some of the best dedicated action cameras on the market. But the real magic is in the engineering. Leaked renders show a revolutionary rotating camera housing. Imagine you're flying through a tight canyon in classic FPV mode, one lens pointed forward, giving you that 4K 120 FPS low latency feed in your goggles. Suddenly, you clear the ridge and see a massive mountain range. With a single flick of a switch on your motion controller, the entire camera module rotates 90 degrees, activating both lenses to capture a full 8K 360-degree spherical image. You are no longer just filming what's in front of you. You are filming the entire world at once. It's the invisible drone effect that made 360 cameras famous is now built directly into a high-performance Cinewhoop frame. This means no more mounting a heavy Insta360 on top of your drone and ruining the flight dynamics. The Avata 360 is designed from the ground up to be two drones in one. Now, I know what you're thinking. 360 footage usually looks soft. Not this time. With 8K resolution at 50 frames per second, the level of detail is high enough that you can crop into any part of that sphere and still have a crisp 4K shot. And for the pros watching, yes, 10-bit D-Log-M is present and accounted for. This means you're getting over 1 billion colors and enough dynamic range to pull details out of the brightest clouds and the darkest shadows. DJI is also introducing a new version of their stabilization tech, Steady 3.0 Plus, which is specifically tuned to handle the unique vibrations of a 360-degree gimbal. Whether you're pulling a power loop or diving a skyscraper, the horizon stays level and the footage looks like it's floating on a rail, but a drone is only as good as its flight time. And this is where the Avata 360 really flexes its muscles. The FCC filings reveal a new 38.67 watt-hours battery that's a massive 26% jump in capacity over the Avata 2. In the world of FPV, where every gram counts, this is a huge engineering feat. We're looking at real-world flight times approaching 25 to 30 minutes. For a traditional drone, that's standard, but for an FPV drone carrying a dual-lens 8K system, that is unheard of. It gives you the freedom to actually explore a location rather than just rushing to get one quick shot before the low battery. Warnings start screaming in your ears. Safety is another area where DJI is leaving everyone else in the dust. The Avata 360 isn't just a dumb flyer. It's equipped with a new array of sensors, including what looks like front-facing LiDAR and side-facing visual sensors. This creates a virtual safety bubble around the aircraft. If you're a beginner, this is a lifesaver. It allows for advanced subject tracking that actually works in 360 degrees. The drone can follow a mountain biker through a forest, sensing trees to the side and behind it, while simultaneously recording the rider, the trail, and the canopy above. And if things go south, the upgraded turtle mode and a reinforced carbon fiber in TPU frame ensure that a small crash doesn't mean the end of your day. The transmission system is getting a pro upgrade too. We're moving to a Q-Sync 4.0, which, in ideal conditions, can push a 1080p 100 FPS signal up to 20 kilometers away. Even in high-interference urban environments, this means a rock-solid connection with almost zero latency. Whether you're using the new DJI Goggles N3 or the Goggles 3, the immersion is going to be unlike anything we've seen. There's even a rumor about a dual view mode for the goggles, where you can see the FPV feed in the center and a small 360-degree map or secondary angle in the corner of your eye. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the price and the release. This is where things get interesting for our US audience. While DJI has been facing some regulatory hurdles, the Avata 360 has already cleared FCC certification, which is a massive signal that DJI intends to keep supporting the US market as long as humanly possible. Leaks suggest the Fly More combo will land right around $999, considering the Insta360 Antigravity A1 is expected to hit the market at a much higher price point without the hybrid FPV switching. DJI is positioned to absolutely dominate the premium segment. We expect an official announcement any day now. It's likely with a shipping date in early 2026. Wait, don't go yet, because there is one hidden feature we haven't discussed that might be the biggest game changer of all. Insiders are hinting at a new AI stitching engine built directly into the DJI Fly app. Traditionally, editing 360 footage is a nightmare. It takes hours of processing and massive file transfers. DJI is reportedly using the power of the O4 transmission system to do proxy stitching. This means you can edit your 360 flight on your phone in real time while the drone is still in the air or immediately after it lands. You can pick your angles, add a regenerated transitions, and post to social media before you've even packed your gear away. This isn't just a drone, it's a full mobile production studio. So is the Avata 360 worth the hype? If you are a content creator, a traveler, or even just someone who loves the latest tech, the answer is a resounding yes. It bridges the gap between the professional filmmaker and the hobbyist flyer in a way no other device has ever done. It takes the fear out of FPV and adds the magic of 360 capture. This is the drone that makes every other camera in your bag feel obsolete. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive on Tap Tech. We are keeping a 24/7 watch on the DJI supply chain. And as soon as the first units hit the wild, we'll have them here for a full hands-on review. If you want to be the first to know when the pre-orders go live and see the first real-world 8,000 samples, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to be the person who buys an old model the day before the revolution starts. Drop a comment below. Are you going to stick with your current setup, or is the 360-degree flip enough to make you switch? I read every single comment, and I want to know what you think about this 8K beast. Till next time, keep flying, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.